My name is Ricky Hirth, Hirth Small Engine Repair and Excavating. I came into this through being injured on a job on a logging site in 1978. And it pushed me into doing something where I could work with my disability. So I got into small engine repair. And I started my own company, and 38 years later, I'm still at it. And now we've gone into excavating, which we've done for about 14 years now. Right now, we're in North Franklin, Connecticut, which is about 45 minutes from home. And that's usually some of the farthest we've traveled. We're generally within a 10-15 mile radius of our business, our home base. I have some land clearing jobs. I do excavating. Presently, I'm doing a thin cut on this particular property for a logger so they can cut the big trees out of the way. We have 18 acres here to do, and we'll be in and out at different intervals. Well, I've probably sheared about 6 acres so far. I have a Bobcat mini excavator, a tow-behind compressor, my John Deere 325G with the TMK 300 head. It's got the large cylinder on it because of the flow on my machine, and it's a good product. It has taken all of the small trees that I used to have to cut by hand or with a land clearing saw, and it just makes it all with the machine so we can put it in a pile and get it ready for chipping. The people that have called me to do work have been referrals, and they know that I'm going to come in and treat their land as it's my own. It's important that the customer's comfortable that you're not going to come in and just destroy their land and leave. We clean up, we do from start to finish. I was exposed to it through a friend, through my John Deere salesman, which knew Matt at McCarthy Farms, and the process was very simple. I gave him a deposit, and he called me when it was done, and my wife and I went down and picked it up, and we've gone from there. I have had no problems at the present time. It performs above what I ever expected. A little time to get used to the shear as far as cutting to the ground. A lot of times I would be cutting too low, and I had to learn to lift the blade of the unit up. And now that I've got that down, I've become more fluid with this, and it's just a tremendous machine. The only thing that I see on it is a guard for the hoses on top. Other than that, I'm very pleased with it. It shears more than what I expected. I would recommend it to most companies. It's just a good product, good and rugged.